Here's my new female southern painted turtle that I just got today, and I already opened her, but I just want to show you guys how small she is. She is literally the size of a nickel. Katie, can you get a nickel from there? Or a quarter or something? I got her from Turtle Shack. So I got all three of my turtles from Turtle Shack, and so far they're healthy. Here's a nickel. Turtle. She is literally she is so smaller than the other turtle that I got, Katie. Look at her. She is so small. I think I have to put her in water so she can be a little bit awake, you know?